Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn algebra identity trick. What students do mistake and what they take the step while solving this type of problem that consumes their time. But if you know this trick, you will save time and get the marks. So what is the question? Sometimes the question given like this: x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square is what? So what people do, they solve it like a minus b whole square, then subtract, then a plus b whole square identity, then solve it. But no. Always remember, when there is a subtraction sign and square in the digits, so use the identity a square minus b square. What is? It is a plus b, a minus b. This takes the question less than 10 seconds when you apply this. So this part is a here and this part is b. So let's apply this. So first case a plus b, that means x plus 2 plus x plus 2. And second case is a minus b. So x minus 2 minus x plus 2. So it becomes x plus x as 2x and 2 plus 2 as 4. And here it becomes x minus 2 minus x minus 2. So 2x plus 4. Here this x will cancel out and minus 2 and minus 2 as minus 4. So we will multiply it as 8 negative 8x minus 16. So we will take negative 8 as common. So x plus 2. So this is our final answer when you apply this. Now practice this one. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is what? What we have to do? We have to apply the identity, that is a square minus b square. Pause the video and try it yourself or check my solution. A plus b, a minus b. So this part is a and this part is b. So it becomes a plus b plus a minus b, the first bracket. Second is a plus b and there is negative sign. So we will change the sign of second bracket. So a plus a as 2a and b will cancel out. And here negative a, positive a will cancel out. B plus b is 2b. So when we multiply, our answer is 4ab. I hope it's clear. Now you want to try one more? So let's try this one. X plus 3 whole square minus x minus 3 whole square. So let's solve this by applying the identity. Pause the video and try it yourself. Comment down your answer. I will pin the first right comment. So it becomes a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b, where a is x plus 3 and b is x minus 3. So let's apply x plus 3 plus x minus 3, and here x plus 3 and there is negative sign, so change the sign of second bracket. So x plus x as 2x, positive 3 cancel out the negative 3, and here x minus x will cancel out and 3 plus 3 as 9. So it becomes 18. 3 plus 3 as 6, sorry. So it becomes 12x. Now let's practice one more to make it perfect. Because the more we practice, the more we learn. 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2x minus 1 whole square. So apply the identity. Comment down your answer if you get it. A plus b times a minus b. So what is a here? 2x plus 1, and what is b here? 2x minus 1. So it becomes 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1, and in bracket it is 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1. We change the sign due to negative. So 2x plus 2x is 4x and positive 1, negative 1 will cancel out. And here positive 2x and negative 2x will cancel out. And here 1s. Plus 1 is 2. 4x times 2 is 8x. So what is the correct answer? 8x. And what we have to remember, use identity, don't expand, then don't waste your time. I hope it's clear and you find it useful.